Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 70 and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to System and Update and then select Reset Phone. It gives you a message that will remove everything that is listed right here along with the Google account. So let's select Reset Phone once more. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it here. So I'm going to do so. And then you can back up your device if you want to keep some of the data that will be removed. Or if you have already made a backup or you just don't want to, you can select Reset Phone and this will begin the process. Now reset should take roughly like 2 to maybe 3 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.